The con extension identifies a Battlefield game. Configuration file storing server settings and game rules for EA's Battlefield series. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit or troubleshoot these Battlefield server configuration files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange CON formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. CON files are plaintext configuration scripts used by EA's Battlefield series game engine. They define server settings, game mode rules, map rotations, spawn parameters, and gameplay variables, used for both client-side settings and dedicated server configuration. Battlefield CON files use a simple line-based scripting syntax where each line contains a property name and its assigned value. They are loaded sequentially by the Refractor game engine and can reference or include other CON files through scripting commands. The direct link for opening CON files is established with Battlefield series from Electronic Arts, DICE. Windows can read the file's external properties, but not the internal data structure. Windows offers visibility into the file, yet only the software knows how each value is used. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your CON file and choose Open With. Test with Battlefield series first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If your CON file is not opening yet, that is normal. The specificity of the CON format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, editing configuration files. Open the con file in a plain text editor such as Notepad++ or VS Code. Modify the relevant property values for your server or game settings. Always create a backup copy before making changes so you can restore the original configuration if needed. Next, applying changes. Place the modified con file in the correct Battlefield game directory, typically under the mod or server profile folder. Restart the game or dedicated server to apply the new configuration. Some settings require a full server restart rather than a hot reload. Finally, troubleshooting syntax errors. If the game fails to load with modified con files, open the file and check for typos, missing values, or incorrect property names. Compare against the default con files shipped with the game. Restore the backup if the game becomes unstable after modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.